Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm just doing a quick review on the Stanley ratcheting wrenches that were sent to me from Canadian Tire for their Tested in Canada program. So here's a close look at them. And these are the standard or imperial sizes. You can see all the sizes here. And if you look at the back here, you can see it's a limited lifetime warranty, which is good. And by the way, these are made in Taiwan. So with these wrenches here, they go from 5/16 right up to 11/16. And what I like about these wrenches is not only is the size printed on, but it's also engraved on the other side. I like it when they're engraved because they never disappear. Sometimes if it's just painted on like that, it can wear off. So here's a close-up view. You've got a little lever here to switch from forward to reverse. And they do feel of good quality in your hands. And I do like the color of these wrenches. It's called gunmetal chrome. And the reason I like these wrenches in my shop is because you can get in tight spaces. And if you're using the ratcheting part of the wrench, it saves you a lot of time. So one area that I use these wrenches a lot in my shop is to work on snowblowers, tight areas like this. It's easy to get the wrench in there. For example, I'm tightening up the bolt that holds the handle on this blower. Because of these wrenches, I don't need to remove the wheel. And these wrenches will come handy if you work on any Honda snowblowers because some bolts are hard to reach. And you can see that the wrenches have a slight bend here where the ratcheting part is. This allows you to get into more difficult to reach areas. So overall, these are awesome wrenches, guys, and they are warranted for life. And again, here's a close-up view of them. And by the way, guys, you can also get these in the metric sizes as well. So it's good to have a set of each. So that's it for this video, guys. These are awesome wrenches and you should have them in your toolbox, no matter if you're a hobbyist or a professional. And make sure you're subscribed and that you're following me on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Have a good day.